Chapter 1, Unit 1, Applying for a Job, Part 1, Section C1, Listen to the dialogue.
How can I find out about jobs, Mr. Nyack?
Well, you can get information about them by listening to the radio, watching TV, or reading newspapers. But the most important thing is to decide what kind of job you want. Then, if you hear or read about one that you want, you can get an application form. You'll also need a CV.
What's that?
CV is short for curriculum vitae. It provides employers with the information they need to know about you. You submit it with your application form.
What kind of information should we provide?
Information about your educational background, interests, and experience. What's that you're holding?
It's today's newspaper. There's an advertisement for jobs at a hotel in Phnom Penh. My brother, Barn, is interested in it.
Let me see. If Borin's interested, I could introduce him to Mr. Kunnaret, who's the manager there.